So good afternoon all. So in last lecture we have covered the circular cube. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
We have covered circular cube in the last lecture. Any doubt in
Yes,
that?
sir.
Insertion and deletion, it means NQ and DQ operation we have seen of the circular cube. If you have any doubt you can ask, otherwise we are moving on to the next, that is double-ended cube, DEQ.
सर आप कंडीशंस को कुछ कर सकते हैं, दोबारा रिपीट कर सकते हैं सर, क्योंकि कंडीशंस कुछ मेरे को समझ में नहीं आई सर.
Okay, after this discussion of double-ended cube, we will come on to that condition. Okay, because maybe some conditions will be covered in this also, so you may have got some idea about that. And after that, at the end, we will discuss the condition of circular cube once again. Okay.
ओके सर. सर सर्कुलर क्यों की नहीं समझ में आई थी सर. सिंपल क्यों की तो आ गया.
Okay. ठीक है, no issue. So double-ended cube is DQ. Third type of the cube we need to learn is double-ended cube DEQ. You can see like how we need to write it. DEQ. So this is different from DEQ operation also, and that we have discussed already in the first class of cube. What is DEQ operation of a single cube? Simple cube.
Deletion of an element.
Deletion of an element. But here I am talking about a different Q, that is DEQ. Double-ended Q. You can write it like it. Okay. The full form is double-ended.
Double-ended Q.
Double-ended means that is very much similar. Like name, from name we can easily understand that double-ended means ki both end can be used for insertion and deletion or operations. In simple words, we can say double-ended Q. So like circular or simple Q that we have studied are single-ended because we are using one end for insertion and the another end for the deletion.
Okay? सर एक क्वेश्चन मेरे दिमाग में आया सर. सर पूछ सकता हूँ?
हाँ.
सर ये हम डबल एंडेड क्यू में दोनों साइड से एलिमेंट एंटर भी कर सकते हैं और डिलीट भी कर सकते हैं, तो फिर ये सर क्यू कैसे हुआ सर? क्योंकि क्यू में तो सर एक साइड से डिलीट कर सकते हैं और एक साइड से इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. और इसमें तो सर दोनों साइड से.
Yes. So like it is a version. So first of all, we have studied about simple Q. The drawback was that only memory locations was the drawback. Okay, like some memory locations cannot be used properly. So to overcome that particular problem, we have studied about circular Q. It means ki we are studying. We will try to use all the empty locations also. Okay, if some locations are free in the starting point, then we can use them. So in this way, we are trying to like optimize the memory utilization. And then now the another version is that like in both simple and circular cube, we have learned that only one end can be used for insertion and the another end can be used for the deletion. Now look at an example of water pipe. आपने water pipe का example लिया था कि water pipe can be considered as a cube. Yes or no?
Yes sir, दिया था.
Yes sir.
So water pipe, like suppose one end is being stuck to the tap. आपने वहाँ पर उसको tap के संग stuck किया है, and the second end you are using for watering. Okay, so can we not reverse the function of the pipe ends? We can reverse.
Yes sir, कर सकते हैं.
We can reverse the
उधर से उधर लगा दो पाइप को.
So same, like both ends are there actually. From any of the end you can use for for tap. One end can be used for tap and one end can be used for the watering. So same in this computer science with the data structure that we are using. So we will try to optimize the use of the data structure actually. So if possible, we can use any of the end for the insertion, and if possible, we can use any of the end for deletion. Now what happens actually, like in array you will not identify so much of difference between simple queue and double-ended queue, but when we use the linked list में हम क्या कर पाएंगे you have to traverse from one end only. In linked list there is a drawback also कि अब जब हम डायनेमिक एलोकेशन करेंगे then we need to maintain a pointer for starting address. So starting address का pointer एक ही होगा, and in that case you need to start the traversing from that end only. So that is again becoming the drawback of that linked list. So when you use linked list to implement the queue, so उसमें ये बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होती है कि you are only able to insert and delete whenever you want to delete or insert, then you need to traverse from the starting point. अब वो चाहे एलिमेंट लास्ट में क्यों ना पड़ा हो, okay, so but you need to traverse all the linked list through all the linked list. Suppose 10 elements हैं तो 10 elements पहले traverse करने पड़ेंगे and then लास्ट में अगर आप उसको delete करके आओगे. तो इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स को दूर करने के लिए what suggestion is there, what like options comes कि we can insert or delete from either of the end. Suppose I need to delete from the last, so I can traverse from the last and element यदि last में है तो फटाफट delete कर दिया जाए जल्दी. So it again optimizes the operation. टाइम कम लगा. Similarly यदि हमको स्टार्टिंग में डिलीशन करना है तो स्टार्टिंग में डिलीट इंसर्शन के लिए हम एक ही एंड से स्टार्ट करें और वहीं से हम उसको फटाफट इंसर्ट करवा दें. सो टाइम कम लेगा. सो द नेक्स्ट जो इसका बेनिफिट है वो ये है कि आपका टाइम कंज्यूमिंग आपका हो जाता है, सॉरी टाइम कम लेता है जब हम दोनों एंड यूज कर रहे हैं. सो इट विल टेक लेस अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम इन कंपेरेटिव टू सिंपल और सर्कुलर, because in that we need not to traverse the all elements of the linked list or array. Array में भी कहीं आपको समझ में आएगी ये चीज. So is it okay? Any doubt now? समझ में आया कुछ? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Kishore, you have asked a question. Have you got it or not?
Yes sir.
So you need to respond now. Okay. Any doubt?
सर मैं वो पढ़ रहा था सर, मैं इसको ध्यान से पढ़ रहा था कि और कुछ तो नहीं है.
So is it okay now? है ना? So now we are able to insert from any end and we are able to delete from the other end, any end too. दोनों में से one end you can use for insertion and one end you can use for deletion. Okay. So now this list in this the elements can be inserted or deleted from either of the end, both ends. Okay. Now it is also known as head tail linked list. DQ can be implemented using simple queue or simply linked list, or second one is circular queue or circular linked list. So what we can say is broadly we can say कि DQ जो होता है that can be of two types. Like two types, we can say that two versions are there. Two versions are we can say simple DQ and circular DQ. So the concept of simple queue and circular queue can be merged with the DQ. You are getting it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
DQ, if I am using the simple queue with DQ, then it is simple queue. And if I am using the concept of circular queue, then it is circular DQ. So right now we are going to study about simple queue, okay? And then circular queue, you only need to learn on yourself. I will directly ask the questions on circular queue in the next lecture, like without discussion. मैं बिना पढ़ाए आपको इसके क्वेश्चन पूछने वाला हूँ नेक्स्ट क्लास में सर्कुलर क्यू के. अभी हम डीक्यू का सिंपल डीक्यू पढ़ने वाले हैं. ओके, बिकॉज यू नो द कंसेप्ट ऑफ सर्कुलर क्यू, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड. विद सम स्मॉल चेंजेस यू कैन सिंपली इंप्लीमेंट द सेम एल्गोरिथम्स ऑफ सर्कुलर क्यू विद सर्कुलर डीक्यू. नाउ सेकंड वन इज सो टाइप्स ऑफ डीक्यू. नाउ so two main types of DQs are input restricted and output restricted. Okay, input restricted and output restricted. Input restricted means input पर restriction होगा, and output restriction means कि there will be some restrictions on output. Input simply means insertion and output simply means
Deletion.
Okay, so input restriction का मतलब होता है input like insertion normal तरीके से होगा. We come on to that now. So input restricted means कि in a DQ insertion can be done only at the one of the end, while deletion can be done from both the ends. So input is restricted now. Input मतलब insertion. So you can study now in this way. Like input, it means insertion is done in normal way. Normal way means normally from which end we can insert the element.
Rear end.
Rear end.
So in input restricted, the insertion will only be done from the rear end. Like we have restricted the insertion in DQ. So restricted means कि हमने जब restriction किया तो normally जो normal way में जो काम होता था वही काम होगा. Okay, and output, it means deletion can be done from any of the end. That is input restriction. Okay, now output restriction is just reverse in which the output has been restricted. It means the output deletion can be done in normal way. Normally, from where we can delete from front end. Normal in output restricted, the deletion will only be done in normal way, but the insertion or input can be done from any other end. Is it okay now? The difference of input and output restricted? Yes or no?
सर एक मिनट रुकना सर. सर एक मिनट रुकना. पीछे से वायर करना सर. कंटिन्यू सर.
Now operations on DQ. So on the basis of input and output restrictions, the different operations that can be performed on DQ are 4. You can see that. That is very simple now. So add or insert the element at rear, add the element from front, delete the element from rear, and delete the element from end, front end. Is it okay? Because now we can insert the element
Okay,
from
sir.
any. Now we can delete the element from any of the end. So in this way, we can say there are overall 4 operations that can be performed on the double-ended key. So now you need to tell me, okay, out of these 4, how many operations are there for input restricted D key? This is a question from my side to you. How many operations from these 4 is there for input restricted DQ?
Sir, 3.
If suppose I am saying ki
Three.
this is number 1, 2, 3. So name them.
First, third, and fourth.
You need to name them actually. Now suppose I am saying input restricted, which operation we will perform?
1, 3, and 4.
First, third, and fourth.
1, 3, and 4.
1 and 4. Very good. So
Yes, sir.
in input,
1 and
input
4.
is restricted. We can only insert the element and normal way. And normally we are doing it in rear end. So addition can only be done at the rear end in input restriction, but deletion can be done from both the end. So these 1, 3, 4 can be for input restricted D. Is it okay? And same, if I am saying ki for output restricted, tell me
1 to
which
4.
operation.
First, second, and fourth.
First to fourth.
फर्स्ट सेकंड और फोर्थ.
That addition can be done in any end, but deletion can be normally done only and it is from end operation. That's it. So is it okay? Have you understand the concept of this?
Yes, sir.
Input
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Good. So now we are going to write the algorithm for the same. Okay, but before that I am going to take an example for you now. Okay, so example will be so I am going to take an example. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to take an array. Okay, so we are going to take an array and let it be like this. I'm not going to add the. Okay, let me add also so that the confusion will not be there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. These are indexes. Got it? These are indexes. Okay. And here we will put the values. Okay. Now what we will do is we will take an table also where we will be having the value of front and rear. Okay. For every insertion and deletion, we will take the value of front and rear. Say it is F and it is R. Are you able to see this? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. So let me start the example. Suppose now what we will do is add.
Initialize -1.
Yes, initialization should be there. So initialization will always be
-1.
-1.
Front equals to F equals to R equals to -1.
Now suppose that you know already. Okay. Now suppose what I am going to do is I am saying that already there are some elements in this cube A, C, and B. Let us take some example. Okay. So initially, what are the values of F and C? My question is this now.
Front 2, rear 4.
Front 2, rear 4.
F equals to 2, R equals to 4.
Front 2, rear 4.
Rear 4.
Rear 4, yes. So is it clear to all? Everyone has got it. Any doubt if you have even asked now?
No, sir. No, sir.
Initially, I have specified that some
No,
elements
sir.
are there already. So let us suppose this is the initial situation of my DQ. Okay, where first two positions and the last 5 positions are vacant, and A, C, D are already there at 2, 3, and 4th position. Now suppose I am going to add F to rear. Now here I am specifying that आपको ऐड कहाँ करना है. Is it okay? आपको ऐड कहाँ करना है ये बता रहा हूँ मैं.
Rear.
Add you need to specify
R
now.
equals to 5.
है ना, ये हमें बताना पड़ेगा कि आप क्या कर रहे हैं. सो यहाँ हम रिमार्क्स में लिखेंगे. रिमार्क्स हम ये बताएंगे कि व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. F प्लस प्लस कर रहे हैं, R प्लस कर रहे हैं, F माइनस माइनस कर रहे हैं और R माइनस माइनस कर रहे हैं. So whatever I am going to do, I need to specify over there.
R plus plus.
So here add rear F to R. So where you will add and at which index it will be added?
5.
5. So ये
5,
यहाँ
sir,
आ
5.
जाएगा. 5
R equals to 5.
What are the values of front and rear?
2, 5.
2 are 5.
2 and 5. Good. And what we have done over here actually?
R plus
R plus.
R plus plus.
Okay. So this is very simple.
R increases.
We are doing, we are inserting at rear. That is very normal case. Okay. That is normal case that we also done in the simple queue and in the circular queue. Yes or no? Okay. So now delete from rear. So this is something different from now. So now you need to delete from the rear. So rear
F.
So F will be deleted.
F will be deleted, sir. Yes, sir. F will be deleted.
F3.
So
F3.
what are the values of front and what are the values of 2?
Front 2, rear 4.
Front equals to
Front 2,
2,
rear
rear
4.
4.
And R is
R minus minus.
R minus minus.
Minus minus. Decrease.
That's it. I think now you will be able to do the whole programs alone. I need not to explain it. You have got it. Okay. Delete from rear. It means ki we are decrementing the value of rear now. So what it will be? R minus minus. So it is the initial state we have got. Is it okay? Anything you want to ask? Delete from rear again.
सर एक्चुअली में हम ऐसा कर रहे हैं, हम हाइपोथेटिकली r minus minus
2 and
3.
3 R
yeah,
minus
minus
minus.
minus. Good. But anyone wants to say something?
सर मैं कह रहा था सर एक्चुअली हाइपोथेटिकली हम ऐसा कर रहे हैं कि आपने बताया ना कि एफ को हम रेयर वो डिलीट कर रहे हैं, तो ऐसा कर रहे हैं कि हम एफ को इंसर्ट ही नहीं कर रहे। हमने पहले मूड बनाया कि इंसर्ट करेंगे, लेकिन बाद में हमारा मूड चेंज हुआ तो इंसर्ट ही नहीं किया, ऐसा कुछ कर रहे हैं।
पता नहीं, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया क्या कह रहे हो बेटा। That is simple.
सर
I am simply.
सर मैं समझ गया सर।
I am simply taking the sequence. Okay. So it doesn't matter. मतलब ये लोग मुझे समझ में नहीं आया आप क्या पूछ रहे हो, but ये simple random है. It could be anything in question. It could be anything. Whenever you will get in examination, it could be anything. Okay. Now add k to front. Suppose you need to add front. What you will do now?
3 3.
F3.
3
Sir,
3.
3
F3 and R3.
Okay. Now
Sir,
suppose
1
if you want to add k at front, so k will be at which index?
1
सर इट विल बी ओवररिटन एट सी सर 1
No, it will be at 1 or 3.
1 1.
1 sir 1
So why you
1
then why you said 3? It is 1. Front is
1
1.
1. Here is
F minus
4.
minus.
3.
3
Here is
F equals to equal
Okay, B deleted.
F plus plus
Like, automatically it is being deleted. Suppose I have forgotten to delete it. Is it okay now?
Yes.
So you need to see accordingly, na that
Yes, sir.
that you will make on your own. It is dynamic, and there are like some elements are adding and inserting one by one. Okay.
so sir we
Initial
don't
position-
sir over there memory will not be lost, we can allocate according to ourselves.
As per the requirements, we can add. Yes, definitely. Okay. So here it is k. So k a c. Right now the values are k a and c. Is it okay?
Okay sir,
Do you have any doubt in this?
F equals to plus plus
Let me add one more column so that I think it will be more clear to you all also, so that आप लोग समझ पाए कि step by step क्या हुआ. I think यहाँ कुछ confusion is being created. So BE to UE values. Initially the given state was this. Okay.
minus
So
1
A, C, B is there. Now we had added F to this, so A, C, D, F was there. Then delete from there, then A, C, and D is there. Then we have delete from rear. Delete from rear means A and C. Then we have a dot this, so K, A, and C. Is it okay now? So now here what we have done? F,
Yes, sir.
F minus minus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now add L to front. Add L to front. Tell me fast.
F will be 0.
0
F equals to
R3.
0, R equals to 3.
F minus
minus
minus.
minus.
LKAC
LKAC.
Is it okay? So now with this last column, you are also able to see the situation of the Q without disturbing the above one. Okay. Now add L to front. Now add M to front now. Now be careful. Add.
Underflow.
Now add M to front. Tell me what happens now.
Sir, it will
Underflow.
Overflow.
overflow sir
Overflow.
Overflow. It is overflow condition
Yes, sir.
because right now L के 0 पर भी कुछ है और यहाँ पर भी कुछ है.
yes sir
or no?
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Sure, sir. 99% sure, sir.
Why not 100%?
सर 1% गलती हो सकती है ना।
No one wants to comment anything on it.
Sir, it will go at the index 9 or 5, I guess.
फ्रंट से इंसर्ट कर रहे हैं ना एलिमेंट
9
को,
or
तो
5. 9 or 5. Anyone else? No one wants to say anything.
सर फिर ये, सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पर कि फिर तो ये मेमोरी का यूटिलाइजेशन हुआ ही नहीं फिर, क्योंकि आगे का मेमोरी हम इसको अगर दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करें तो आगे का मेमोरी तो फुल हो गया, लेकिन पीछे का मेमोरी तो अभी खाली है, तो ये यूटिलाइजेशन कैसे होगा मेमोरी का?
देख रहे हो आप क्या लिख रहा हूँ मैं? Are you able to see?
It will be 9, sir.
It will be 9 and R is 3. Any question now? I think.
सर आपने कंडीशन तो फ्रंट से दिया है ना कि ऐड
there
एम
are-
टू फ्रंट।
Yes, front. So in circular queue, suppose front is 0, then what you will do? Front cannot be more than rear in circular case.
It can be.
It can be, sir.
So cannot it be 9 or 3?
Yes, sir, it is possible.
Yes, sir.
So that is what the use of that.
Yes, sir.
Basically, you was just asking na कि like how the memory is being used over there. Memory utilization नहीं हुआ. So that is what I want to convey again. कि here we are using the memory. So in this way you can utilize the memory. Like right now I am having some vacant spaces at the end, so cannot we add the elements at that end. So consider that thing as a circular way. So if I have positions occupied in that, that is K, and suppose here L. So suppose now I need to add onto the front. Where I will go? I will move to the end of this. So here I will add M. In this way I can add the new element. So right now it is not underflow, not overflow. We can add as we have some vacant position at the other end. That is what the double-ended queue means. So you can utilize the other end too for the insertion. Yes or no?
यस सर।
Double-ended. What does double-ended means otherwise? Okay, so either of them can be used for the insertion and deletion. So it make it circular and use it properly. So in this way, it could be inserted at the front end. When the front is 0, I can make it the maximum size -1 if it is free. If it is free only.
Sir, if we take a case, the last index is also filled and the remaining 4 indexes are empty, and we are entering from front, then also it would be go from maximum size -1 only, means in the 8th index.
Definitely. At that case, front is where? Well, like front कहाँ होगा इस वक्त? Front is
Five.
pointing to M, na? So if we have been asked to add the added front, what do you do?
At 8th index I will add.
8 index will be used. Minus.
So if we are considering it is a circular queue, then only we are going to perform, or in a simple queue also we are going to perform.
Actually, in most of the DQ cases, only this particular circular queue is being maintained. Simple queue is rarely being used. Simple DQ actually. So you should only know the concept of simple queue, but it will be rarely implemented. Otherwise, like in that case, what is the use of that particular thing? Like if still we are having some memory locations free and we are not able to utilize it, so what is the use of that? So actually, the DQ is there to utilize the spaces as well as reduce the overall time. Okay, so circular Q version of that DQ is being used mostly.
So sir, we are
Definitely, yes,
explicitly making the index from front to the maximum size -1.
definitely we need to
Or
make it. We need to make it. तो करना पड़ेगा ना फ्रंट को we need to make it maximum size -1.
yes sir.
Is it okay now? Anything else you want to ask? You should have more questions. इसे चुपचाप बैठने से कुछ नहीं होगा.
तो सर इसका फ्रंट 9 इंडेक्सिंग होगा ना और ये 5 1 0.
Rear is 3 ना, like now right now I am having this particular thing. AC तक ही तो था हमारे पास. So if you see that it is accordingly, then you just look at that. You need not to look at the above thing. Okay, no need to get confused. Just look at that thing. Is it okay now? Anything else? Any other questions you have in your mind?
Sir,
Yes, ask.
sir, if the whole queue is empty and then we start to add the elements in the queue,
Yes.
so and that too from the front end,
Yes.
then the front will be matlab the element will be added at 0.
हाँ, definitely first जो like element always be inserted at the 0 index. Definitely.
And sir, similarly, if we add all the elements but from the front end, then the front will be incremented. We are not using the rear end for adding the elements.
We can use the rear end.
नहीं मैं सिचुएशन पूछ रही हूँ कि अगर हम रियर एंड यूज ही नहीं करते, हम फ्रंट एंड से ऐड कर रहे हैं तब.
Okay. Then it will be decremented.
तो पहला एलिमेंट अगर 0 पे ऐड होता है, नाउ फ्रंट इज 0, तो फिर उसके बाद सेकंड एलिमेंट कहाँ ऐड होगा फिर?
मैक्स साइज -1.
You are good. बिल्कुल obviously max size -1.
ओके, तो फिर वो मैक्स साइज.
देखो in DQ always it is given to you कि you need to add where, add to front or add to rear. Or if it is input restricted, then automatically you should know कि where you need to add. If it is output restricted, then it should be given to you to where the element needs to be added. Okay, like I am writing over there, add F to rear. I am adding the element at rear. I am adding the element to front. It is given to you. So initially, suppose F equals to -1 and R equals to -1, then add element to front, then it will be incremented definitely. So because first element will always be at the 0. Okay. फ्रंट पे जो ऐड कर रहे हैं आप, तो फ्रंट एंड इज एक्चुअली -1, so front end should be 0 initially.
Okay, sir.
So sir, if we are adding the first element from front, then it would be at 0, and then the next element will be all the way to the last index.
Definitely. If you are
Adding through
asking
front.
to add, yes, if you are asking like adding the element at the front, then it will be 9 at 9.
After the initial index. So if you are adding after the initial index, it will go all through the last index.
Very good. Definitely.
सर मुझे भी समझा दो सर, आप लोग
Okay,
क्या
sir.
बात कर रहे हो?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So like question was that ki suppose initially all the elements are not there, nothing is there in that. So initially the value of f and r are -1 and -1. So suppose you are now adding a first element as in A, so it will be added at this. Now you need to add the element B at front. So B will be at 1 or 9.
1
You need to add it front.
1 9.
That was the question. Okay.
ओके
A,
सर.
B, C. So now next is add M to front. It means now next delete from front. Delete from front. Tell me what happens now.
Front will be 0.
Front 0 and R will be 3. B will be deleted.
let me like add one more thing over there. Let us suppose add n to front, then
Front will
Front
be
will be
8 and R
8 and R3.
8 and 3.
3.
So here what we are doing is f minus
F
minus.
minus.
But above like what we are doing specifically.
F equals to max size minus.
F equals to ms minus 1. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, so that is a special case. है ना? ये हमारा special case हुआ है. Now delete from front. What you will do now? What are the values of f now?
9 and 3.
9 and 3.
9 and 3.
And what we are doing are
F plus plus.
F plus plus.
f plus plus. Very good. So in that case, the values will be likewise. Copy and paste.
M will be removed.
No.
Oh, sorry. N will be added after M. Previous M.
N will be.
Or here.
M will be removed. N will be removed. Sorry.
Yes. Good. Then delete from front again. Add R to front. थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया ये एक्चुअली लेट इट बी ओनली थोड़ा छोटा करना पड़ेगा इसको लेट इट बी ओनली 0 1 2 3 suppose it has only 7 indexes or I can say 6 values this delete मार दीजिए in order to like the overflow and underflow condition. In order to explain that, I need to take this one. Six elements I can occupy over there. So like when this particular add n to front is there, what happens now? Tell me. Now I need to change this position also, na?
Sir, this will be 7.
It will be now
7, 7. 6, 6, sorry, 6.
5.
6. 5, 5, 5.
it will be
4.
will be again 5. Okay, now look at that particular thing. Again an important situation. What it be? Add we as soon as we have added at to front. So like right now front is pointing to n or rear is pointing to C.
3.
You are getting it?
Yes, sir.
I am repeating. If n we have added at 4, okay, so n is right now pointing to front and C is actually pointed by rear. So what is this case?
F equals to R plus 1.
Sir, overflow.
Overflow case. Very good. So this is the case of overflow. And the condition is, tell me what is the condition?
F is equals to R plus 1.
F equals to R plus 1. That is what the condition is. For that I have actually changed my size of the array. Is it okay? Please mute your mic if you are having someone around you. Let not others be disturbed. Is it okay now? Or you want to ask anything else? Like in this view, overflow case, I am telling you. Yes, anyone else? Overflow is clear? Say at least yes or no.
सर एक बार मेरे को फिर से देखने देना, कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है बहुत, कहाँ से कहाँ एलिमेंट को.
Overflow is clear. Like right now, so all the 6 elements are there, and this is one of the case where we can say that the queue is full. Okay, normal case is always there. Normal case will always remains as it is. This is a specific case as in we discussed also in the circular queue. This you can, if you remember that we have studied in our circular queue 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
सर एक मिनट सर.
now tell me, we cannot add now. Add end to front. Delete from front. We have deleted. Now suppose you have been asked to delete from front again. What happens now?
Front will be 0,
0,
and it will be 3 only.
3.
3 only.
3 r
In that
equals to 3.
case- Now in that case, what the value of
F-
f is?
F
Will be
minus
0.
0.
So
Explicitly.
explicitly we need to make it 0.
Yes,
Again, important case, we need to make explicitly f is 0 when the element at the max size
Last
minus 1 is
position.
being deleted. Okay? Done?
सर इसमें सिंगल एलिमेंट की कंडीशन कौन सी होगी सर?
वही होगी जो हमेशा होती है बेटा.
Sir, in case of
Okay, sir.
front, we are moving from end to end for inputting or out deleting value.
Yes.
Sir, in case of front, in case of insertion and deletion, we are moving from one end to another end.
Not getting you what you are asking. Please repeat.
As we are inserting an element in the initial index from front, or we are deleting the element from last index through front. So, sir, we are moving from one end to another end, basically.
Yes, definitely. So this is a kind of circular queue actually. So now delete from rear. Tell me what happens now.
F will
As
be
we
0
have
and
not
R will be 2.
normally deleted r minus
Will be
minus, it is
0
0 and
R2.
so r minus minus. Okay. This is okay. Now I am going to change this. Add rear. Now what happens?
0 and 4.
0 and
0
4,
3
R plus plus.
plus plus
Here what happens actually? L A C
H.
H. One is blank.
H.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here
yes sir.
यहाँ होगा L A C and 2 blank positions are there. Now again you need to add at say I at rear. What now?
0,
0,
5.
5.
0
R
and
plus
5. R
0 5 r equals to 5 r plus plus
A C H and I. What happens now?
Overflow.
overflow condition.
This is very simple.
Normal condition of overflow.
Normal conditions. So normal conditions will always be there. Like 0 and ms minus 1, then it is overflow. Minus 1, then it is underflow. Okay. Now f equals to r plus 1, then it is overflow. So all the conditions remains as it is. You are not required to do anything extra in it. Just you need to take care of the insertion where it is being given, either at the front end or the rear end. Same in the case of deletion, either it is being done at the rear end or the front end. That is, you need to take care about that. Otherwise, all the operations are as it is. As it is, I am repeating the word as it is.
सर सिंपल क्यू की तरह ही है सारी कंडीशंस.
The last condition is also full queue condition, right?
Yes, definitely. Full queue condition is also there. So this condition is also full queue condition, where actually we are not able to now insert the elements, that it is full queue condition. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anything else you want to ask now?
So we haven't done the algorithm of display of circular queue.
That you can do on your own or not. I need to explain it. First, I think you should write an algorithm on your own and present it onto the screen. Now I invite you, okay? This is again a good practice. In next session, what you will do, you just come up with a single slide of PPT writing an algorithm of displaying the elements of circular queue on your own. Do not try to write the algorithm or copy and paste the algorithm from internet or books or from anywhere else. Okay, then it is the real learning. And whatever you will think, you just write it on the PPT, and we will discuss over there in this class. जो भी problem होंगी, I will try to remove them. Is it
सर बस
okay?
इतना हिंट दे दो कि डिस्प्ले जो फंक्शन हम वो बनाएंगे वो सिंपल क्यू की तरह ही ना होगा।
ये आपको सोचना है, मुझे हिंट नहीं देना। I don't know. Okay.
ओके सर।
Like who have asked me about that circular queue?
Sir, it's me.
Aman, is it okay? But I have said, or you have any doubt, or you want to like change it?
No, sir, I will try my best.
है ना? हाँ. So then we will discuss it. I don't have any issue. I can like discuss, but I want that you should also participate in that.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So now just can we extend the session for 5 minutes?
यस सर, श्योर सर।
I need to show like write the algorithm right now. Otherwise मुझे वापस repeat करना पड़ेगा. I need to repeat the whole example. So let me allow to write the algorithm of that. Can I?
Yes, sir.
सर समझा दो सर, बता दो।
दुखी मत हो आप,
पाँच मिनट
दुखी हो रहे हो तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। I can leave now.
नहीं दुखी नहीं हो रहा सर, यूं मैं खुद कह रहा हूँ कि समझा दो, फिर कल समझ में आए तो दोबारा से सारा रिपीट करना पड़ेगा।
So DQ like at insert at rear. Okay, insert at rear. Now I am not going to repeat the whole algorithm in like the actual way. I thought now you are able to write. So I am just writing in like simple word what we required. First of all, what we need to do in insertion,
The
what we
overflow condition.
ओवरफ्लो कंडीशन।
we are going to insert DQ at rear. So insert at rear. Okay. ओवरफ्लो कंडीशन क्या होगी इस केस में बताएं फटाफट।
F equals to R equals to R+1 और
If F equals to R,
F equals to
F
0
equals to R.
and R equals to MS minus 1 and then F is equals to R plus 1.
F equals to 0
0 and R equals to MS minus 1.
R next size -1
good
And then F equals to R plus 1.
R plus R.
okay. So I am saying overflow same if F equals to R plus
R
1
plus 1 overflow.
I am saying overflow, otherwise what we need to do
इंसर्ट एलिमेंट करेंगे ना
इंसर्ट करेंगे कैसे करेंगे मुझे क्या पता बताओ
सर इनिशियली F equals to 0 वो R equals to
R equals R
-1
plus 1. R
R
plus
plus
1.
plus R
R plus 1 या फिर R plus R increment
item.
X
that's it.
yes
Sir,
sir
one condition, if we will insert in at front, then means
नहीं,
if the
this is only for insertion at rear.
insert from rear
What actually we are going to do, we are trying to write the function for these 4 operations right now. You just see over there, okay? We are trying to write the 4 different functions of these different operations. So now when we will write the program, we will write these 4 different functions, and we will ask the user to input, like insert, if they want to insert at rear, if they want to insert at front, if they want to delete from rear, delete, and accordingly function will be called. Yes or no?
okay, sir.
Done है ना? So again now, this
Done,
is
sir.
very simple. We insert the element normally at the rear end, but now suppose the insertion at front. This is something different now. So what the overflow condition should be?
It will be same, sir.
It will remain same.
Only F minus minus.
R
F minus minus.
F minus minus.
very good. F minus minus, and item will be F equals to
DQ of F. Yes, sir. Done,
okay.
sir.
Now look at that. The algorithm what I am
Sir,
writing
ये
is both for simple double-ended queue and circular double-ended queue. You are noting it. I am writing these different conditions. So this is for what? Simple queue.
Simple.
Actually, you should know the algorithm for both. That's
Yes,
why you
sir.
should know. है ना? So this is for this condition is for simple-ended queue, and this condition is for
Circular DQ.
circular queue.
circular DQ.
Now you have got it or not? है ना? Any confusion in this? If you have any, then you can ask now.
So if you are inserting
Sir,
the
आपने
element at first index, then how we are going to follow the f minus minus condition?
Sorry.
Sir, we
So
have
if
to
we are inserting the element at first index, then how we are going to follow the f minus minus rule?
So this is for simple DQ. That's why I am coming on to that point. Na, in that specific one, I need to come on that point. So in circular queue, what we will do? This is again for simple queue actually. Like if I am restricted my queue to simple queue, so simple queue में ये वाली overflow condition check हो जाएगी, and we will say that we are uh, decrementing it otherwise. Or if circular queue is there, then what we will do?
if
Then
f
that's what
equals
we
to
follow.
0,
F equals
if
to
f equals to 0, then f equals to max size minus 1.
Yes, and definitely I need to make it explicitly that.
explicitly, yes, yes, sir.
So accordingly there will be some changes actually. Is it okay to you or not? है ना? आप समझ में आ रहा होगा मेरे हिसाब से. Now you are able to write the algorithm on your own too. I think so.
सर हमने if की जो ओवरफ्लो की तीसरी कंडीशन सेकंड कंडीशन है उसको मर्ज कर सकते हैं ना फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट के साथ.
Let me different like मुझे इसको अलग अलग करने दो ताकि आप लोगों को दिक्कत ही ना आए बाद में. इसको अलग अलग कर दूंगा तो मैं आप लोगों को बाद में दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. कुछ लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे वरना. So this is for simple queue say, okay? And this is for circular. Now you will be seeing that what is the simple difference in that. Here we just need to do this thing, okay? And here we need to remove this one, and else. Tell me what that is.
If f is 0, then f is r the maximum size minus 1.
Else if f equals to 0, then f equals to
Max
Max size
max
minus
minus
and
else f minus minus.
yes, else f minus minus, and finally dq तो दोनों पे आएगा. Is it okay now? Difference is clear now?
yes, sir.
So once the concept is clear, you are able to write the algorithm on your own too. उसमें कोई इशू नहीं, चाहे वो सिंपल क्यू हो चाहे वो डबल एंडेड क्यू.
Sir, if first element is inserted,
So that we will see like insertion at front end. So that case you can also put over there.
yes, sir.
है ना? That case you can also put over there. If f equals to -1, so make f equals to r equals to 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That condition will be added in both.
Both, definitely it will be added to both. So like math, like what I suppose ki you know that thing, and like some conditions I am not repeating again and again. मैंने पहले बोला था कि मैं पूरी algorithm लिख रहा हूँ. The main part I am trying to write here.
Okay, sir.
है ना? So you can add now. You have a better understanding. So do not go on to this algorithm, but I am writing. You just try to make it on your own and then write a program. Is it okay now? So this is DQ insertion at front, DQ insertion at front in circular case. Okay. Now at rear, DQ insertion at rear. Yes. Anyone? Rear.
So we have done insertion at rear.
नहीं, that was on front initially. Initially it was at front. So rear is simple actually. You can do it on your own, I think. Rear was simple case. Okay.
We have to just change R plus plus at the place of
Yes,
F
yes.
minus
That is very
one.
simple. We have already done in circular and simple Q both. Now delete from front be simple hai, as if we have done in simple and that. Now we need to see down how we will delete from rear actually. Okay. Now tell me, delete. You are going to delete DQ from rear. Rear end से delete नहीं कराना हमने normal queues में. तो बताएं क्या होगा? Delete at rear.
First of all, underflow condition.
Yes, first of all, underflow condition we need to check. And the underflow condition is
F equals to R equals to -1.
F equals to -1.
Yes, sir.
And it is underflow. And otherwise, what we need to check other than if single element condition is also there.
F equals to R, which is not equals to -1.
-1.
-1. Then
1 नहीं sir, -1.
F is equals to R equals to -1.
आप सही है.
to
Single
-1.
element.
-1. Or else deletion at rear. R
R minus minus.
R plus plus.
Plus plus.
Minus minus.
and item is equals to
So we need to save that element before this.
this. That's it. Before that, we can save it. So that operation will be before the deletion. If underflow is not there, then we can do this. So in this way, you can also write at the in circular case. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In this again, it will be underflow, and then item simply we will save the item at rear. Then again single element condition. Then F equals to R equals to -1. Anything else? Circular Q. Tell me circular Q. If R equals to max size -1, then R equals to
0.
0.
0.
Sir,
0.
And
Sir,
Equals to max size
else
minus
R
1.
equals to
Sir.
M minus 1, sir. Else if condition
Else if आपने F
R
लिख
equals to
दिया.
M minus 1.
हाँ वो अपने आप लगा लेना.
F equals to
एलसिफ अपने आप लगा लेना कुछ. ठीक है, बेसिक चीज.
Okay, sir.
Is it okay now?
Okay,
Yes or
sir.
no? So now I think it is okay. Rest the algorithms are same as we have done in the case of simple and circular Q. So now I think you can do it on your own. I suppose that you should do. Okay. So that is all for today. Now you can all, if you want to ask anything, then you ask. Otherwise, we can leave.
सर अब मेरे को जो मैंने
One more thing I want to convey is the first assignment I have taken for revision of C quiz. आप लोगों को ध्यान है?
यस सर शुरुआत में लिया था 6 या 7 जुलाई को ऐसा कुछ टाइम था.
Mistake was there actually. I have forgotten to take the names in that. So by default, email ID was also not being activated. So I have not get the name or email ID at that quiz. So I am throwing it again today, and it has been scheduled at 3 o'clock. Okay. So the same quiz I am throwing it again at 3 o'clock. It will be open now, and it will be open for the day. You can do it and you can submit it. Is it okay?
ओके सर. सर शाम तक खुला है ना ये आज
हाँ.
पूरे दिन?
हाँ. Yes.
सर मुझे मैंने